Hello e-planning community. In this session, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of implementing OneTag technology. OneTag is an e-planning proprietary technology. This system identifies ad spaces and holds an auction among the different sources available in the network. This code consists of a simple HTML tag that you must add to your site. Let's get started. First things first, log into your e-planning account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the features and settings. Next, navigate to the implementation section. You can usually find this in the main dashboard or settings menu. Now, you'll see the integration code or script. Copy this code. It's a unique identifier. Head over to your website or application source code before the closing Google tag declaration. Paste the code you copy. Visit your website to ensure that OneTag is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues or have questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, happy optimizing.